In this video, I'll show you how to create a new drive on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you want to create a new partition on your computer, then here's how you can do it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to create a new partition, the very first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to open up this PC on my computer. So you'll get to see I have a different partition here. So this is my C drive and other the D, E, and the F drive. So C drive is basically my SSD, and other drives, these are my hard disks. So let's say I just want to create a new partition from the D drive. So you'll get to see I have the 310 gigabytes of free storage. So this is total storage is 310 gigabytes, and I just want to create a partition from the D drive. So now to do that, you just need to get back from here, and you just need to right click on this PC here and then go to the see more option here and then click on manage. Now once you're here inside the manage, you just need to expand this option called the storage here. You just need to expand this and click on disk management, and under this you'll get to see your disk management feature. So the first one, this is my hard disk, and the disk one, this is my C drive. You'll get to see this is my C drive, and we're just going to create a new partition with the D drive that I previously mentioned here. But you can create, if you have the E drive and F drive, you can create any partition from that drive as well. So the reason why I'm going to create a new drive from the D drive, so now to do that, you just need to right click on the D drive and then come to the shrink volume here. You just need to click on this, and this will take a little time, and he'll get to see this option is enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So you just need to convert or enter the amount that you want to create the new partition for. So for this one, we just want to go to the browser first, and he'll get to see I have searched with the ZB to MB. So you just need to search with the same thing as well, and here you just need to type in the number that you want in ZB in the new drive. So let's say I just want to create a drive with 150 gigabytes of storage. So now to do that, I'm going to type in 150 here, and once you do that, you'll get to see it converted it to megabytes is 150,000 megabytes. So I'm going to copy the megabyte from here, and I'm going to get back to the disk management again, and I'm going to just paste it right here. And once you paste the MB here, you just need to click on shrink, and I'll get to see the unallocated space has been created here newly. This is 146 gigabytes, so that's we have recently created. So now to make it in a volume, you just need to right click on the unallocated feature here and then click on new shrink volume, and then click on next from this page. You don't need to do anything, just click on next. And from here you can change the sign of your drive. So I'm going to keep it default with the Z, and I'm going to click on next, and I'm going to click on next for the last time and click on finish. And once you do that, the new volume has been created. Now if you get back from here, and if I open up this PC again, and you'll get to see the new drive or the Z drive with the 146 gigabyte storage has been created on my partition here. So this is how you can create a new drive in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.